We train you from the click of the mouse until you finish and you become a pro and you start to work and making the 6 figures. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Zion again with another video. How are you guys doing? How are we doing? In today's video, I just want to talk about our IT institution. Before I get to talking about our IT institution, I want to thank the students that are currently in class. Currently, we are running 2 classes side by side. We're running class 18 and class 19, and we're about to start class 20 in January 2023. So if you're currently enrolled and you're in class, I just want to say congratulations. The months ahead, they are bright for you. It was a good decision that you made to join this career IT. As you guys know, IT is what is in vogue right now, and so if you have the opportunity to do the IT courses, please go ahead and do so. So again, like I said, we are registering. We are currently running class 18 and class 19, and in January we're going to be starting class 20. Okay, class 19 will be graduating December or early January, and then orientation for class 20 is going to be taking place January 27, around there. The flyers are going to come out. So we do run an institution called Mpit Tech Academy. It's all IT, strictly IT. And exactly what we do is we train students to become IT professionals. The duration of the course is 5 months. And what we do is we train you, we prep you for interview, and we mentor you until you get a job. And even after you get a job, we give you on-the-job support for up to like 3 to 6 months. And even after that, you're still family, because once you join the Mpit Tech Academy, you become family for life, meaning that you enjoy all the benefits. Once you join the institution, you're going to know what the benefits are. One of the benefits I can tell you about is you getting on-the-job support. You can call us at any time. Any one of the instructors are going to help you if you're having any challenge at your job site. If you have a project or you have a task that you have to do, and you're not able to, or you have a question, or you're not able to accomplish that task, you can give us a call and we will walk you through. Being with the IT Tech Academy family, it's so many advantages, okay?
In the world where the internet and artificial intelligence is everything, and data is definitely key, here at Mpit Academy, we walk you through the process of learning how to use, manage, and monitor the data using SQL. Our area of focus is SQL Server. If you want to learn SQL, Mpit is where you want to belong. And of course, not just SQL Server.
I'm going to drop the link to our website, on the description box below. If you have any questions, you can visit our website or you can call us. Our number is 832-600-6992. I can pick up the phone, or admin can answer the phone and give you or answer all the questions that you may have. Okay, talking about salary, I don't have anything to tell you about salary right now, other than telling you that you're going to be making 6 figures once you graduate with this course. You can find out details from our website, or during orientation you will be given all the full details. In the meantime, you can go ahead and Google and see what IT professionals make. This is not a get rich quick scam or whatever, however you guys say it. Google it for yourself, and on our website, read the reviews. We have lots of reviews, past students, that have graduated and are currently working, making 6 figures. Another thing that I wanted to say also is that you do not need to have any kind of prerequisites, any kind of IT background in order for you to take this course, okay? There are no prereqs or no prerequisites for you to have before you take the course. meaning that you could be working in a different industry entirely and you decide to delve into IT, you're more than welcome. If you were a pharmacist, if you were a security officer, or whatever you were that was not IT, and then you want to change careers or you want to, delve into the IT field, come as you are. We train you from the click of the mouse until you finish and you become a pro and you start to work and making the 6 figures. Okay, guys? So please, this is an opportunity that you don't want to miss. Again, I just want to let you know, I want to say congratulations for even thinking about making IT. Let's see, if you were the one that you're making $10 an hour, $15 an hour, or $20 an hour, and you want to do more. You want to start earning $50, $60, $70, $80, $100 an hour. Please come talk to us. You are on the right path. Again, we'll train you, we mentor you, and we give you on-the-job support. I just want to say thank you. IT is what is in vogue right now. So where you're about to put your head, you're putting your head on the right place, and you're doing so with the right fold. As far as the fees is concerned, that's another thing that I'm gonna just shed a little light. I can't tell you exactly what the fees is gonna be because we have been giving out scholarships to those who are in Africa only. But if you're in the abroad, in Europe or in the United States, we don't give you scholarships. We only give scholarships to those who are in the third world country, and there's a little struggle there. So we give scholarship and partial scholarship to people of that jurisdiction. Okay, so coming back to the fees, like I said before, our fees have been as low as $1,000. About 2 classes back, I think class 17 or class 16, the fees was $1,000. We just decided to give back to the community by reducing the fees from $3,000 to $1,000 that batch. So the students on that batch, they paid just $1,000. And ever since that batch, the fees have been going back up. And it's going to continue to go back up until we get back to what it used to be. The current class, they are paying $2,000. So I can't tell you for sure if the fees is going to remain $2,000 or it's going to go up. Please call, register. You can register online, and like I said, I'm going to drop the link to our website on the description box. Go visit the website. If you want to register, go ahead and register right away. That way you secure your own place. The class, we have a maximum capacity. Once we reach that threshold, we're not able to admit anymore. You will be waiting for another 5 months. So the sooner you do this, the better. The first come, first serve. Okay? And what else do I want to talk about? Yeah, the course is not on-prem, guys. The course is, you take the course from the comfort of your home. You can stay on your couch in your house and take the course. All right? You take the course. We train students from all over the world. Currently, we have students we have one student in Zimbabwe. We have quite a few students in Nigeria. We have some students in Liberia. And then we have lots of students in Europe. And then we have, of course, a lot of students in the United States. This field is a field that you can get a job from. You can get a job and do the job from anywhere in the world. So that's why we train students from all over the world: Canada, United States, Europe, Africa. Okay, so once you start to apply for a job, you can apply for the job everywhere. Okay, because most of these jobs, they come remote, and I found out that most of our students, they work from the comfort of their home because they actually look for the remote. We have when it's time for you to start looking for a job, it's up to you what you want. You can look for a job that is hybrid. You can look for a job that is 100% remote, or a job that is on-prem, that is you going at the facility and working, or you can just do it at home, or you can do some days at home and some days in the office. That's hybrid. Okay, so some of these jobs, when they're out there, they're going to anyway, let's not talk about that. You guys come for the orientation, and we will fill you up with this information that way to get you ready so you know exactly what you're getting into. Okay, I promise this is a field that is very lucrative right now. IT is in vogue, and you know, IT, it's broad. You know, I keep saying IT is broad, but let me tell you what we train for. We train for database, SQL Server. That's specifically what we train for. And we also do Azure. We train for Azure, and we also do AWS, and we train Azure, that's cloud. As you know right now, most companies, they are migrating to cloud, right? They are migrating to cloud. So we train students now. It's a plus for you if you have Azure training, right? We actually train also for Azure, although that's an add-on actually, and it's not free. We just give you high level of Azure, but if you want to get into it, like you really want to get into it, then that's a little course on the side that you can pay maybe an extra $1,000 or $1,500, and then you go ahead and train yourself. It's going to make you, when I say it's going to be a plus, it's like if I go to apply for a DBA job right now, and they look at my resume, they see that I'm trained in Azure database, and this other person that applied is not trained in Azure database, I will have the advantage over that person that is not trained. Okay, so the recruiters or the hiring manager is going to pick me first, because why? He looked at my resume. I am trained as an Azure database engineer as well. That's why I say it's a plus. Okay, so guys, I'm going to end it right here. Again, in January, we will be doing orientation for the class 20 that's going to be starting in January. Okay, I encourage you, again, visit our website, www.mpittechacademy, www.mpittechacademy. Okay guys, don't miss this opportunity. Please tell your friends, tell your family members, and even tell your enemies. So guys, thank you so much. I will see you guys during our orientation, but I hope to talk to you before then. Again, if you want to call and talk to me directly or talk to admin, the number to call is 832-600-6992. 832-600-6992. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next one. But until then, you guys stay safe, stay blessed, take care of yourselves and each other. Merry Christmas, guys. Bye-bye.
In the world where the internet and artificial intelligence is everything, and data is definitely key, here at MPIT Academy, we walk you through the process of learning how to use, manage, and monitor the data using SQL. Our area of focus is SQL Server. If you want to learn SQL, MPIT is where you want to belong. And of course, not just SQL Server, we also walk you through and expose you to the cloud, Azure, AWS, and Google Cloud Platform.